Uwi ka na?
Hindi pa po, dun po ako.
Set! Sama gabi siya.
Ulang? Last pa na ako si Bashir.
Wala na.
Bakit, Wen? Hello? Nagbibideo ako ngayon eh. Bakit? Bakit?
Outside! Wala na, wala na. Hindi mag-uusap. Boy, wala boy.
Pero hindi na binalik. Binalik yung gamit. Oo. Pati yung sa may ng ano, ng motor. Ayun sa sakyan. Hello? Nakaka na gano'n yung lag yung live mo.
Pumitig yung internet tube eh. Kaya nagre-relive. Ganun yun pag naano yung internet na harapan.
Ano, magkano na ako? Mag-update ko na rin. Kunin na lang ng kunin mo yung mantaga. Mag-update ka ngayon. Kunin mo lang dun. Pasok ko na lang mag-update.
Grabe yung jumper mo, guys. Napakataas.
Ay, hindi yan yung bola. Go!
Injury.
Tago na yun, injury.
Lolo. Ayun na. Sorry for the delay. Last 29 seconds. 29 seconds. NMP. Score natin 47-42, 5 ang kalamangan. Pero nakita ko sa live kanina. Second personal foul, Rio Veros. Ang penalty naman na. Kita nga po si Idol. Agay. All day. Megang tama. Meditate. Yes, sir. Last 29 seconds. 47-43. Dangy one goes inside. Kick out. Rio Veros puts up a 3. No good. Rebound. Aison. Tumira. May kasama pang foul. Last 16 seconds. No shot lang na po tayo. Who's foul rep? Number 14. Pangalan na. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Grabe si Aison. Work hard. Nasaan yung ano nyo? Team captain. (49-43) ang ating score. Anim ang kalamangan. Aison goes for the shot. Grabe naman yung arco. 60 seconds. Belarus, go hard. 1v4. Put up a shot. No foul call. Same ball. 11 seconds on the clock. 11 seconds. No shot clock. Labut tayo. What a steal play. What a nice pass. Good find there by Villarus to Sidayao. Rio Veros. Tumira. Long 3. No good. Rio Veros ulit. Tira. Wala pa rin. Another attempt. Failed. 50-45. 5 ang kalamangan. Hina po na ang lahat. Legang tama. Alright, back into the ball game. 50-45 ang Kalamangan. Our third quarter, second half. Sino kaya mag-iinit? Nag-iinit na ang kamay, wag lang ang ulo. Grabe talaga si Stoudemire. Kevin Stoudemire. Keep the glasses. Yes, sir. Third quarter. First half, second, nag-adjust pa ang Boston. But in this half, can they make it up? Inside, W1, fakes, goes inside. Lost the ball. Who's got it? Dalawa ang kumuha. Villaruz may hawak ng bola. What happened? Shuffle. Pamakpo ng gitna. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Pao din ako.
Villaruz. On the inside. Adahar. Inside pass to Villaruz. Using the glass. And an easy 2 points. Cuts the lead to 3. Still an early ball. Damiwan. Rejects the screen. Goes inside. Damiwan. Kick out pass. Espino. Libre. Wide open. But still won't go. Rioberos tries to save the ball. And Rodriguez got it. Pass to Villaruz. To Adahar. Adahar. 1v3. Binale. No good. Rodriguez for the rebound. Kick out to Villaruz. Villaruz. What did he do? Sabroso for 2. Wala pa rin. Long pass. Damiwan. Taps it to Rioberos. And gets the easy 2 points. Sidayao. And now it's a 52-47. Back to a 5-point lead. Adahar. Setting up the play. And lost the ball. White ball. Shoutout sa mga fans ni Bon. Lumapit na po. Shoutout sa inyo. Happy viewing. Espino. Trying to set up the play. 15 seconds to shoot. Damiwan goes into the screen. Kick out pass to Espino. Libre. Wide open. 3-point. For Espino, Villaruz, nagmamadali, 1v4. Kick out pass to Adahar, for 3, can they make it up? Still no good. Damiwan with the rebound. Damiwan goes in transition, pass to Espino, wide open, 3 is good. With a back-to-back 3 for Espino. Rodriguez. This is what Boston Celtics need to keep up. Not defending the 3-point shooter, and there goes the steal, and there goes the easy layup. Timeout, Boston Celtics. What can they do? They need to make up for these losses, these steals. 60-47, a 13-point lead, a 5-point lead to a 13. Great effort by the Union back. Great effort for the white team. Announcement lang po, lahat ng magta-timeout, lapit ng isang player sa committee. Para hindi na po yung player inside ang magta-timeout. Villaruz, and we're back into the ballgame. Rodriguez, open 3, no good. Uses the glass. And it's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 16 with a second personal foul. First team foul. Dangiwan. Rioberos. 60-47. Espino left wide open again. What a good find there inside. Boston losing their defense. on a simple pass there. And Belarus is foul. Espino. First personal foul. Second team foul. Sidayao finds Rodriguez in the middle. Kick out pass to Sabroso. Sabroso puts up a three. Can it go? No good. Rebound by Aison. Long pass to Benaventura. Benaventura to Espino. Almost lost it. Espino for two. And it connects. What a great find there. Looking for the main shooter of the team. Espino. And it's a foul by Sidayao. It's a good ball. Espino, left wide open. Three, no good. Rebound by Adahar. Adahar looking for his teammate. Finds Sabroso. Goes to Villaruz. Villaruz to Sidayao. Sidayao forcing his way inside. Spins using the glass. Easy 2 points. 64-49. Long lead. Still more time. Buenaventura to Rioveros to Aison. Can it connect? No good. Rebound by Rioveros to Buenaventura to Espino in the corner again. But still the shot won't go. Almost lost the ball there. Buenaventura to Espino. Inside. 66-49. You need to watch out for these simple passes. Sidayao spins, almost lost the ball, and it's a white ball. 66-49. Lost their momentum. Still, long way ahead. Still have a fourth quarter. Rioveros forcing his way inside. Lefty, no good. Aison with the rebound. Flash up in the back, but still no good. Villaruz, 1v2. Rodriguez and Villaruz in transition. To Rodriguez. Easy 2 points. Rodriguez. Going back to defense. 4v4. Aison inside. Pick out pass. Espino for three. Green ball. 51-66. Kids. Tabi po muna tayo. Tabi. Baka matamaan po kayo. (66-51). Long way ahead. Last 4 minutes and 55 seconds for our third quarter. Basa po ang bola. Basahan, basahan. Basahan. 66. Alcohol. Kaya na, wipes. Ito wipes question. Ito wipes question.
Panalo sa Berde.
Thank you so much.
Play. Ito may play. Hindi pa bumababa yung Berde.
Wait lang po ah.
Sa gasa.
Wipe lang kami ng ball.
Pasok ng
Walang
bras.
transition.
Ah, po.
Transition, hindi makabalik eh.
Yung white sureball ba sa labas?
Hindi saka masiglan. Maanas ko.
Committee tayo mga po tayo. Wipe lang ng bola.
Makakashoot yung Berde.
Baka po okay lang.
Shout
Sige,
out,
buzzer na kayo. Gawang na, gawang na. Oh, mag-delinig mo tayo. Rep! Bola rep. Yan.
Babalik po sila naman. Sasali ko si Ida. Daddy, Daddy. kasali.
Hello, hello, hello. Housekeeping po.
Ano, sali ka na.
Housekeeping po. Wala. Paano yung bola lang? Wash lang.
Ilan po ba yun? Ilan po ba yun?
Alright, we're back into the ball game. Wash po ng ball. Sir Martinez. We're back into the ball game. Rodriguez. Adahar. Left wide open 3. No good. Si Dayao tries to save the ball but still out of bounds. Mr. Martinez, can you wash the ball? Pasuhin mo lang, boss. Wait lang po. Rio Veros. Inside. Aison to Benaventura. Lost the ball. Head ball po. Rodriguez. Finding teammates. Pass to Dangiwan. Dangiwan pushes his way and it's an offensive foul by Dangiwan. First personal foul, 13 foul. Okay, personal foul lang pala, wala pala sa set. Villarus, inside, step, using the glass. Great shot by Villarus. They need to be aggressive on this part. 68-53. 15-point lead. Rio Veros. Espino. Oh, fakes. Pump. Shot no good. Si Dayao. To Adahar. To Rodriguez. Oh no. Tinapon ng sabaw. Aison. Aison. Almost lost the ball there. Aison being guarded by 2. Kick out pass to Espino. 4-3. No good. Dangiwan to the rebound. Dangiwan forcing his way inside. Gets the foul. And the points. Number 17. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. 13 foul. A chance for a 3-point lead. For 3 points pala. Villarus. Villarus inside. Sabroso. What a great find. 68, 70, 68, 55. Rio Veros. Rio Veros. Benaventura. Dangiwan. Shot. No good. Rebound by Sabroso. Going for his teammates. Adahar left wide open. Being chased by Benaventura. But still, a layup will connect. Aison. To Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Push cross. Pass to Riveros. Puts up a 2. Still won't go. Dangiwan. And blocked by Sideao. Trying to put it back in. Rodriguez. What's the call? Red traveling violation. Technical. Number 17. Unsportsmanly behavior. Technical. Number 17. 3 minutes yan, no? Wala. Unsportsmanly behavior lang po. Number 17. Sportsman-like behavior pala. Free throw po. Technical lang po. Ayan na. Pakibilisan. Magpo-point partner na. Here comes their guard. May pasok? Wala? Ha? Nag-exam pa? Grabe. Nag-exam ka pala, pre. Grabe naman yun. Student athlete talaga. Rio Veros. Goes into the screen, forcing his way inside, and fouled by who? Number 17 again. Warning for graduate. Number 17. Warning for penalty na din po. Yan po. 16 to shoot. Gonzales Tumira for a miracle shot. At the horn. Left wide open. Oh no. Comes up short. My bad. Too strong pala. And Buenaventura. Target finder by Espino. Sinayaw. Long pass. Grabe naman yun. Quarterback. Gets the foul and gets the shot. Huwag mong talikuran. Number 28. First personal foul, third team foul. Shot will count and will go to the free throw line. Chance for a 3-point play. Still no good. Bonyales with a steal. Lost the ball. Green ball. Substitution. Here comes our star player of the Green Boston Homes. Joining in, shooting in for the third quarter. Yan na. Dang Iwan to Rio Veros, left wide over, 3, no good. Rebound by Sidayaw. Sidayaw to Adahar. Adahar. Shot, no good. Rebound by Bunyales. Bunyales being harassed by Adahar. Long pass to Dang Iwan. 2B4, Dangiwan goes inside, pass to Bunyales, lost the ball, Adahar to Villaruz, Villaruz side step to Rodriguez, comes up short. Maraming sabaw ang natatapon today. Dangiwan spins, using the glass. Easy 2 points. Lost the ball, miscommunication. Rio Veros gets the 2. Villaruz, Rodriguez. Another shot, still won't go. Adahar, inside, gets the foul. Number 28. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Substitution, last 44 seconds. 76-59 ang ating score. 76-59. Are they gonna adjust on this fourth quarter? The last quarter. Shot is good. 76-60. A 16 point lead. Housekeeping po. Kuya, pwede pa wash ng bola. Ito po. Kaya rin virus pa. Thank you po. Dangiwan. Both teams warning to penalty. Dangiwan for 3. Long. Dangiwan with the rebound. Inside, Binaliba, using the glass, but still won't go. Villaruz, traveling violation. Last 28 seconds. May shot clock pa po. Third quarter pala. 76-60. 16-point lead. Dangiwan inside, Rio Veros gets it, but the shot won't go. Rio Veros, Mabi, Lau to Dangiwan, takes, goes inside, using the glass, but still won't go. Who gets the ball? Espino tries to put it back and gets the foul. Who's foul, Rep? $31. 30. 77-61. 13 first personal foul penalty. Second shot will go. Adahar, no shot clock. Spins, almost lost the ball. Crisostomo, tumira ng tres. Wala pa rin. Adahar, rebound, shot, floater is good. And that is it. So shot clock po. 4 seconds pa po remaining. Loud goal po tayo. 4 seconds remaining. Dummy one, forcing his way, shot, won't go. And that is it for our third quarter. Our last quarter. 78, 60, 61. 30. $63, 78. Adahar almost lost his footing there. 15 seconds to shoot. Goes into the screen. Adahar crossover. Lost the ball. Lau gets the steal. Layup. Too strong. Buenaventura for the rebound and puts it back. Sidayao, long pass, Adahar, for three. Answers the two. Now, Espino, nagdadala ng bola. Looking for his teammates, finds Lau in the middle. To Riveros. 15 seconds to shoot. Dummy one. Stolen by Villaruz. Long pass to Adahar. Adahar almost lost the ball. Layup comes up short. Baby Bro is there to save the ball. Cutting the lead little by little. What a great effort for the Boston Homes. Dummy one goes inside, lays it off, but still comes up short. Adahar. Two. Big Bro fakes inside. Oh! Buenaventura tips it in for the enemy. Rio Veros inside, lay, short, rebound. Villaruz to Adahar. Did it back. Easy 2 points. Live ball po tayo. Bangiwan. Long pass, kick out. Who's foul, Rip? Who's foul? 31 with a first personal foul. Penalty na po. First team foul. Kaya ba? Bila. Pwede mo kayo? Ayun na. Let's get back to the ball game. 80-72. Wala na lamang. 16-point lead. To 8-point lead. Grabe oh, star player dumating. Doroteo is here in the house. Can he make a difference? Last 8 minutes. An 8-point lead. Rio Veros. Espino, Benaventura in the middle. Puts up a shot. No good. Adahar. Long pass to Adahar. Tries to make the shot, but still comes up short. Rebound by Espino. Espino holding the ball. Benaventura to Rio Veros. 15 seconds to shoot. Long pass. Dangiwan gets the ball. Forcing his way inside and gets the foul. Who's foul, Rep? Who's foul? Number 6. Second personal foul. Second team foul. It's the foul. Ikalma niyo lang. Shot. No good. Second shot. Will go. Adahar. Nagdadala ng bola. Trying to set up a play. Belarus. Adahar for 3. Sidayaw with the rebound. Sabroso. Back to Adahar in the middle. And what's the call, Rep? Traveling violation. Shoutout sa mga ating fans. Dangiwan fans. Dangiwan fan club. Rio Veros. Dangiwan. 4-3. Won't go. Who'll get the rebound? Benaventura. Pass to Rio Veros. Rio Veros forcing his way inside. Uses the floater. Easy 2 points for Rio Veros. Belarus. Trying to go for the speed play. Belarus inside. Kick out pass to Sabroso. Pass to Rosh Adahar. Pass to Rosh again. Adahar inside. Sabroso. Pinasa. Takes. Inside. Glass is good. Dangiwan. Nagdadala ng bola. Dangiwan. Who's foul, Rep? Time out. Boston Homes. (83-74). Last 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Number 16, third personal foul. Third team foul. And here comes the McDonald's Happy Meal. Happy ang lahat. Pakagat na nga ng nuggets. Wala. Ay, isang wala lang, French fries lang. Sabi nila ang patatas, after daw ang isang wala. Good for the throat. And we're back into the ball game. Last 6 minutes and 46 seconds. 6 minutes. Rio Veros. Oh! Benaventura. Shot is good. What a steal play there. Mga bata po, magsialisan po muna tayo sa ilalim dahil mainit ang labanan. Baka kayo may tamaan. White ball. Guys, mamaya na mag-shooting.
Haba niyang quiz ah.
Kaya nga eh, di ba?
It's a white ball. Espino. Line the back. One more person to pass. Stolen by Adahar. And a great steal there. Lays it up. Easy 2 points for Adahar. Fresh legs. Fresh legs. Fresh from exams. Espino for 3. No good. Villaros with the rebound. 3v2 in transition. Same ball. 86-76. 10 ang kalamangan. Adahar. Bruce for 3. Yes, sir. Cuts the lead to 7. 86-79. 7-point lead. Still a long way to go. 5 minutes. Aison finds Buenaventura inside. Great pass. Great connection. Looking for the open man inside. That's the Boston Holmes problem. The inside opening. Villaruz. Sidayao. Kick out pass to Villaruz. Villaruz fakes. Jab. Pass to Adahar. Goes inside. Floater. No good. Aison with the rebound. Looking for his teammate. So Dangiwan with the ball. Pass to Espino. Espino. Jab. Rio Beros. In the middle. Oh, great. Floater. Adahar. To Bruce. Great connection. Finds the open man on the other side of the court. Rio Beros. In and out. Dangiwan. Stop and shot. But the shot won't go. Espino with the rebound. Espino trying to find the open man. Buenaventura tries to go for the reset play. Finds Aison. Back to Dangiwan. 10 seconds to shoot. Espino for 3. Shot won't go. Too strong. Sidayao. Sabroso. Pass to Bruce. Bruce. Nagkapi pa. Inintay pa. For the 3-point.
Parang gusto ko nang lumipat.
Bruce. 89-84. Trying to keep the team alive. Cutting the momentum of the white team. Rio Beros trying to find the open man. Better clean those glasses, sir. Hindi na nakita. And it's a timeout. Better Union Bank. (89-84), a 5-point lead. Long way to go. 4 minutes left. And we're back into the ball game. Villaruz. Villaruz gets the foul and the shot. Buenaventura with the foul. Oh no. Number 6. Who's number 6? Ako pasok ko lang. Ipon ka agad. 89-86. And they make it a 2-point lead. And they cut the lead. Villaruz doesn't get the free throw. Torotero gets the rebound. Looking for his teammate. Sabroso with a steal to Villaruz. And gets the lead to 1. Only a 1-point lead. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. For those watching it live, happy viewing sa inyo. Dangiwan to Torotero. Long pass to Espino. Espino goes inside. Lost the ball. Dangiwan for 3. Short. Espino with the rebound. Floater, wala pa rin, Villaruz with the rebound, in transition, Adahar, to Bruce, Umeke, Tumira, and palit na po ng kalamangan. Boston Holmes with a 1-point lead. What a great effort for this man. Dangiwan, shot, gets the foul. Who's foul, Rep? Staring down. Everybody act off when they up. Dangiwan. First shot won't go. Penalty na po tayo. Warning for penalty lang pala. Dangiwan. Score natin, 80-90. Dangiwan, the shot won't go. Nicolas Sora gets the rebound. Pinagagawa ng bola. And it's a Boston ball. Grabe, mainit ang labanan. Pero mas nag-iinit si Mabi. Timlahin lang kami yan, mainit na si Mabi. Nakalamigin. Adahar. Last 3 minutes remaining. Adahar for 3. Dangiwan, push cross, in transition. Pass to Espino. What a great pass. And what a great play. That's a foul called. Number 10. First personal foul. Penalty. Una pa lang? Hindi ah. 91-90. Sa Kalamangan, bumalik. Palitan lang. Espino. Chance for a 3-point play. Shot will go. Villarus with a rebound. Behind the back. In transition. Villarus. Villarus. Almost lost the ball there. Being harassed by 2. Adahar. Adahar, 15 seconds to shoot. Goes into the screen. Stolen. Backed up by Espino. Great steal. A 3-point lead. Boston Homes losing their momentum again. Sidayao almost lost the ball. Adahar tries to go inside. Kick out to Villarus. Villarus forcing his way inside. Pass to Adahar. Adahar blocked by Buenaventura. Oh! Oh! Dalawa yung dalawa yung tutumba. Isa sa audience. Isa sa court. Okay. Injury timeout from the audience. Third foul, UB. Nicolas Sora's second personal foul. Kakapasok pa lang, na-foul na agad ang audience. Adahar. First shot won't go. 93-90, tatlo ang Kalamangan. Ha? Ano ba yun? Sidayao tries to get the rebound. Adahar. Espino gets the ball to Dangiwan. Dangiwan. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Dangiwan. Blocked by Sabroso. Villarus. Long pass. Sidayao to Adahar. And blocked by Buenaventura. Shots too strong. And it's an outside ball. Boston Homes. Substitution. Nicolas Sora out. Rio Veros in. Mainit ang laban. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Tatlo ang Kalamangan. Everybody act off when they up. Mabilaw. Rush for 3. Shot won't go. Buenaventura with the rebound. Doroteo, long pass to Dangiwan. Dangiwan gets the foul and the shot. This game by Dangiwan, able to connect the top shots. That's Dangiwan's game. Shot won't go. 95-90. A 5-point lead. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarus. Adahar, long pass, shot, won't go. Buenaventura with a rebound. Last 1 minute. Wow, fourth quarter. Espino. 98-90. Long pass. And it's a white ball. Timeout. Boston Homes. 98-90. Walong kalamangan, 49.2.
Ano, Nicole? Kaya mo ba?
An 8-point lead by the Union Bank. 49 seconds left for our last quarter. Great game. Here comes. What can they do? An 8-point lead. Who will step up for this last quarter? Who will make the shot? Who will control the game? Sidayao, Adahar, back to Sidayao, kick out pass to Villarus. Villarus goes inside, using the glass, that's the lead to 6. 6-point lead. Last 40 seconds. Doroteo, be pressured. A 5-second violation. 35 seconds left. 98-92. A 6-point lead. Kinakabahan si Mabilao. Nag-iinit sa bench. Sidayao, long pass to Villarus. Villarus forcing his way inside, gets the foul. 2 shots for Villarus. Who's foul rep? Number 9, 29. 29. Rio Beros, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Villarus. Villarus. Shot. 98-94. Adahar with a steal. 4-3. No good. Rio Beros. Lost the ball. And Bonaventura trying to force. 18 seconds left. Dangiwan being lost and it's a foul. 14 seconds remaining. 98. Penalty na po. 0. Five-point lead. Dangiwan. Shot won't go. Dangiwan. Stone cold. Dangiwan. Shot will go. 99-93. A 6-point lead. Villarus. Can they go for the pass play? Villarus. Roche. Adahar. Left wide open. Shot will go. 5 seconds remaining. And that is it to seal the game. 99-93. And Union Bank wins. Mabilao after since is up.